In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Gmail ID and username. Whether you're updating your email address for a fresh start or just need to make a change, this guide will walk you through the steps in an easy-to-follow manner. First, let's discuss why you might want to change your Gmail ID. Perhaps you're moving from a personal to a more professional address, or maybe your current email doesn't quite reflect who you are anymore. Whatever the reason, changing your Gmail ID is a straightforward process with just a few steps. To begin, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your existing Google account. Open your preferred web browser and head to the Google homepage. From here, locate the profile icon on the top right corner. It should be a small circular image or a letter if you haven't set a profile picture. Click on it and then hit the Manage Your Google Account button. This will direct you to your account dashboard, where you'll find various settings that you can adjust. Next, look for the Personal Info section on the left sidebar. Clicking on this will take you to the page where you can update all your personal details linked to your Google account. When you're on the Personal Info page, scroll down to find the Contact Info section. Here is where you'll notice your current email address listed. If you wish to change your address, you'll need to click on the Google Account Email option. However, it is crucial to remember that this step is available only for those who have not linked their account to Gmail originally. If you're using a Gmail address as your primary account, unfortunately, you can't change this particular Gmail username directly. In such cases, you might consider creating a new account with the desired username, transferring your data, and informing your contacts of your new address. For those who can alter their secondary email or username, continue following the prompts and verify any security checks that Google might require. This usually involves confirming access via a verification code sent to your registered phone number or backup email. Finally, if you need full control over your login credentials and still wish to use the same account, you can choose to update your account recovery options with a new email or device to ensure secure access. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the know-how to change your Gmail ID and username. This process helps maintain a professional online presence and ensures your information stays current and secure. Don't forget to back up important emails and contacts before making any major changes, and be sure to notify your contacts of your new email address if you decide to create a new account altogether. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep those settings sharp.